everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a beautiful Amazon home decor haul and some just other things that I picked up. I love doing Amazon hauls so much. I have a never-ending wish list and I feel like I've been shopping on Amazon even more now that I have my own place because I just see so many things that I love and I just can't wait to get. So this was an instance of that. Everything will be linked down below as always, and yeah, let us get into it with the first item, which are these beautiful Boho Decor beads. I love these. I wanted this so badly for my entryway table and I will show you guys how I kind of style it, but this is how it looks. It has this like tassel at the end and then all of these are like natural wooden beads, and I always get so nervous when buying like wood because I'm always really scared if it will be the shade that I like, but thankfully these were absolutely perfect and I love them so much. Next up, I picked up these pure bamboo sheets. I have wanted luxury sheets for such a long time. It is in this beautiful ivory shade, so pretty, and I absolutely cannot wait to use it because I've just had normal sheets for like my entire life. I just want to have these amazing sheets that make me just feel so comfortable. I've been learning to like splurge a little bit here and there on luxury and just making my space feel beautiful, so I cannot wait to use it. I also want to get a new bed so I can like use the sheets on it then. Next up is this, and let me get it before Coco literally destroys it. She already like bit up the entire pack. So this is the organic wool dryer balls from the brand Snug Pad, and you can just see this is how it looks. So this is where Coco like completely ripped it off. So this comes with 6 balls in it. I love these because apparently Coco's really doing it for me today. They can actually replace your dryer sheets and they're more cost effective, and it's supposed to help bring down your drying time. So I've yet to see it bringing down my drying time, but I feel like I will definitely continue using these as opposed to using dryer sheets. What I like doing is adding a little bit of lavender essential oil to it, and that makes my clothes and my sheets and everything smell really good. So I have 2 right now in my dryer, but they're just these normal wool balls that you can see right here. And let me just say, Coco is obsessed with this. That is literally why I stopped buying toys for Coco, because I feel like if she plays with every single thing other than her toys, like just buy dryer balls, and she is so entertained. She just literally knocked over my milk frother, which is the next item that I picked up. And it literally had me worried first because this looks like a shade of purple. So I was like actually seriously worried. But when I pulled it out, it was like Barbie pink, and I always wanted a milk frother, and I feel like if everything in my kitchen is Barbie pink because I have the grown-up Barbie theme going on, so I decided to get this pink one. It comes with a stand so you could just sit it down on your counter and then just use it as you go, and whenever you're finished you just put it back in, and that is how it looks. These don't come with batteries, so you would have to get batteries when you get it, but when you press it, it literally just mixes at the bottom and it just makes the perfect frothy milk or something like that, whatever you want to make. Oh my goodness, I have to get everything faux for Coco, like when it comes to plants. So I have like faux bougainvillea, and it looks so real though. A faux fiddle leaf, and now I have faux olive branches, and I really always wanted orange olive branches, and they look so real. How real does this look? And it even has like some olives on it, and it looks so real. I'm super pleased with this. I will link my previous Amazon hauls down below so that you can go ahead and check it out, because I did also buy eucalyptus, like faux eucalyptus, and it was so perfect as well. It literally looks like real eucalyptus and I love it so much. I am really pleased and happy with my olive branches. I really do want an olive tree, but I told myself to start small before like Coco does something more, because she literally takes all the leaves from the bougainvillea. There's a leaf literally right there, a flower, and then she pecked off all of the like little things on the orchid as well. So I just hope that she does not interfere with the olives on my olive branches. The only thing I need is a vase, but I've been really unlucky with vases around Coco. I broke 2 so far. I felt the pain, let me just let you guys know. But I really do want to display it so beautifully, maybe on my entryway table or something like that. But look how real it looks, and you can just open it up, and how pretty does it look? Oh my goodness, this has to be like one of my favorite Amazon buys. So for Coco, I picked up a cat fountain for her and I love it so much. I did an entire unboxing reel. It's pink, obviously. It is really silent, so you can barely hear it, which is what I love about it so much. It has a light which comes on. It blinks red if it needs to fill water in it, but it's so good. And I decided to go ahead and buy a 6-pack of the cat filters that go with it. So you need these filters and you go ahead and change the filters ever so often. Well, when the filter in the filter gets dirty, you go ahead and put in the new ones. Something else that I bought for Coco was her pink cat bag, which I am obsessed with. I go on walks with her with the cat bag on my back, just right in my neighborhood, and I love it. She loves it as well. I have the extendable one. It is from the brand called Lolly Meow or something like that. They have really good reviews, but I did go ahead and get that because I just always wanted one of those. And it extends, so this one has the extendable back, so it extends out into like a tent or something like that, and it works really good. I am obsessed with it. I can literally just put her out on my patio. She stays inside or she goes in the back of the tent and she just relaxes and just watches birds and stuff like that. It is just so much fun, and one way that you can get them really accustomed to it is just by leaving it out. So she got so comfortable with it. She does not kick a fuss. She feels that is very safe, so that's why she's always so happy to go in it. I love it because she looks so cute in it. So that is the end of my Amazon haul. I hope you enjoy these haul and home decor type videos. Everything as always will be linked down below, as well as my previous Amazon hauls that you can go ahead and check out. I'm definitely going to be getting some more things, especially like books and stuff. And I did order other things that I will share with you in future hauls, of course. So yeah, thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more like these, don't forget to also subscribe because it means so much to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.